In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cropped shadows or overflowing elements in Figma. First, open your design so you can see the area where the shadow or element is being clipped. The usual culprit is the parent container. Select the parent frame or auto layout that's cutting off its child elements. If you are unsure which layer is responsible, look at the Layers panel and move up one level at a time until you are on the container that holds the element with the missing shadow. With that parent selected, look to the right-hand panel and make sure you are in the Design tab. You'll see the option called Clip Content. Uncheck that. Clip Content hides anything that extends beyond the frame's bounds, so turning it off instantly allows shadows and overflow to render beyond the edges. If you still don't see a change, the clipping might be happening higher up. Check the Clip Content setting on any nested parent frames and turn it off there as needed. If disabling clip content isn't what you want, maybe you are intentionally hiding other elements inside that same container. Try two alternatives. 1. Add padding to the parent auto layout frame. A little extra space lets the shadow fit inside the container without being cut off, while keeping the rest of the content hidden as intended. 2. Replace the outer frame with a group. Groups don't clip content, so shadows and overflow will show naturally. And you can still organize layers cleanly. For prototypes, the approach is slightly different. If you want elements to stay hidden in the editor but revealed during playback, leave clip content on in the design view for the element that should stay concealed. But make sure the parent frame above it is not set to clip content and sits inside a frame that allows overflow. This way, the element remains tucked away while designing and can expand or appear properly during the prototype. Finally, if your goal is to create scrollable, overflowing content, open the Prototype tab on the right. And set the overflow behavior to vertical or horizontal, depending on how you want users to scroll. This tells Figma to allow that overflow during interaction. That's it. Thanks for watching.